Just as I was settling in for a quiet Friday evening, Tesla goes and decides to launch officially the full self-driving subscription package. It is live right now on the Tesla website and on the Tesla app. I am going to buy it and walk you through the process of what that is all like and what it entails. But first, let me kind of run you through what you get with this full self-driving subscription package. So we had heard it was coming for a while, and it was supposed to be a couple of weeks from now with the wider rollout of FSD beta version 9 was when this was supposed to launch, but surprise, surprise, it seemed to just kind of be sprung upon us with no notice and just live right now at about 7:30 here Pacific time on Friday night. And we now know what Tesla's going to do. So there is no tiered system. We had kind of speculated that would be the case. It is not. Tesla is just doing a single service offering here of full self-driving as a subscription service for $199 per month. So $199 a month, $200 is what you have to pay in order to get FSD on your car. And what you get for that is the following. You're going to get navigate on autopilot. You're going to get auto lane change. You're going to get auto park, summon, traffic light, and stop sign control. If we click on here, let's just see the learn more here, and that's basically it. Now, it's interesting here in the fine print, there isn't really anything here on the requirements of the car. We had kind of heard rumors that it was going to be hardware 3 required. We thought that maybe there was going to be some other sort of fine print materials. Nothing that I can see just off the website, but maybe we'll see more when we dive in and make that purchase. So just before I do this, let me prove to you in my Standard Range Plus 2019 Model 3, there is no full self-driving. I just have regular old autopilot. And as you can see in the menu here, there is no option for FSD or anything like that. So let's go ahead and get the app open on the phone here, buy it, and see what happens. All right, so inside of the Tesla app, if we scroll down here to the upgrades tab, you'll see you have kind of what you've seen before. I can buy a rear heated seat as an option here in Standard Range Plus. And of course, I can spend $10,000 to get the full self-driving package. But now if I go to subscribe, there's premium connectivity lives here. If you don't own it already, that is the other subscription service Tesla has. And now we have the full self-driving suite here for $199 per month. Again, the same things here that I just read off as sort of the features. And then of course, coming soon, auto steer on city streets. So to go ahead and actually purchase it, we're just going to go ahead and hit that checkbox here. We can see the $199 a month total. All right, and here we are at the cart. So we got full self-driving capability here for $199 a month, the payment card it's going to go to, the billing address, and then with tax, this actually comes out to $214.42 a month. So about $215 a month for full self-driving capabilities. Now, interestingly enough, if we go here to the agreement, you can see that Tesla does say that full self-driving capability can be canceled at any time. So this should be a month-to-month thing. They don't make it specific if you can cancel and rejoin at any time, but at least you can cancel at any time, but you cannot request a refund. So there's a cancellation policy here. You can see taxes, yada, yada, yada. Obviously, you got to make sure you are, looking and keeping your eyes on the road. You're going to be billed monthly, all that stuff. So great. I'll actually follow up on this if I can cancel it and see what that process is like. But let's just go ahead and subscribe to the full self-driving capabilities by just hitting that subscribe button. And we're done. It said I subscribed. My full self-driving subscription starts on the 16th, which is today. And then the app is now just loading. And now it says I have all the eligible upgrades. So now I'm good to go. I now actually have the summon control in the app. That happened instantaneously. That was cool. So now let me go down to the car and see if those features were all just unlocked, right away. Let's go see. All right, so my car is on, but I actually just got home from the grocery store, so that might explain why that is. I kind of hear it. Let's jump in and see what we have on the screen. So, there we go. Full self-driving capability. Your autopilot package has been upgraded. To start using enable new features, head into the settings. Awesome. Let's go ahead and head into the settings. And I can close this. And so now I can see that I have full self-driving capability and premium connectivity. So those are my 2 subscriptions, and that is when they renew. And I don't see anything else here in the software. Let's go ahead and head to autopilot. And there we go. I have all the new full self-driving features and options that I didn't have before. So now I can turn on navigate on autopilot. Yes, I agree. I can turn on traffic light. Yes, I agree. Green traffic light, summon. Yes. And was it really that simple? That I think was it. So now everything is ready to go. I can kind of jump into the settings. These are all just kind of the standard settings too. There's nothing really here special about it. It's just basically the same service, but now instead of paying, the lump sum $10,000, you can just do a subscription and just have access to all that for a much lower monthly price. So I think that about does it. As you can see, I now have all of the full self-driving features here in the car. I could show you guys, the smart summon and stuff like that, but you've already seen that. This is, again, not anything new, but now everything is here under one subscription model, which is pretty crazy. And now all the hardware is unlocked, and I now have full self-driving as a monthly subscription package. Pretty cool. Okay, so that was it, I guess. For better or worse, that is as simple as it is. A couple of taps on your phone in the Tesla app and your car is good to go. I literally walked downstairs in about 10 seconds, went into my car, and everything was good to go. I was on, I think, the latest software update, and I just turned on all the toggles for the full self-driving stuff like you usually would, and you're good to go. So a couple of things here I want to point out. Before I wrap up, let me just show you real quick here on the Tesla website. So if you want to cancel this, it's just a matter of going in here and going into your subscriptions, which I think I'm going to have to go, I got to actually go to details here. And then I can see here I have the full self-driving capability, renews August 16th. And if I go here to manage, I do have the option here to cancel it if I wanted to. If I click cancel, it'll prompt me, says, hey, you're going to cancel full self-driving capability. If you cancel it, you're going to go back to, I guess if you cancel full self-driving, your subscription will end August 16th, and then you'll kind of go back to the standard one. So you are, obviously, again, you're paying for it for that full month. This is a little bit broken, but that's okay. We still love Tesla anyways. So you're paying it for the full month, no refunds, but you can cancel and basically not be charged the next month. Again, we don't know if you can rejoin the next month. That's something I will test and I will report back to you on. But yeah, this is super exciting. I don't know if I'm going to keep full self-driving after this for the month, but that is a whole nother video for another day. So what are your thoughts on this? Do you think $200, $199 a month, is it reasonable? Is it not? Is there anything else you guys want to see? I mean, I guess this is kind of the standard suite of full self-driving capabilities. It's kind of what we expected, so nothing really new here. But I, for one, as someone who never had full self-driving before, I am super excited to take advantage of all these capabilities and try a lot of cool things out. I'm excited. What are your thoughts? Are you getting the full self-driving subscription service or not? Is this a good price or not? Leave your comments down below. Let us know. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Robert Rosenfeld, and I will see you all in the next one.